Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to buy Dogecoin on Coinbase. So, what we will do, we will log into our account on coinbase.com. After that, you will arrive at this page. We will simply click on the buy and sell section right on top here. Click on that and this overview will be opened. Now what we have to do is select Dogecoin because that is the asset we would like to buy. So we will tick in Dogecoin and there it is. Select it. Now you can fill in the amount you would like to purchase, let's say €6, and you can select the purchase frequency. You can select it on a daily frequency, a weekly, twice a month, or a monthly frequency. For me, I will leave it on one-time purchase for now. You can also select the wallet which you would like to use to pay with. For me, it's my Euro wallet, but if you are living in another country or region, you can select the wallet you would like to use. So for now I will leave it on this, and after that I will preview my buy. Click on it and now it will show some information about the purchase you are going to make. As you can see, I'm using my Euro wallet. I will buying 36.74 Dogecoins and the price of each coin is 14 cents at the moment. My total purchase amount is €5.01. The Coinbase fee is 99 cents and the total purchasing amount which I am paying is €6 including the Coinbase fee. You can select also a weekly investment. I don't want to do that because I don't want to purchase it every week. I will leave it on this, but if you would like to purchase it on a weekly basis, you can select it. For me, I will leave it on this for now. And as you can see, you can click on buy now. If you click this button, be aware you will buying these coins directly. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next crypto tutorials. See you guys, bye bye.